Input bias function is for error correction from input, not from this recorder. This is how to calibrate the temperature of channel 3. Press Enter key for 3 seconds to enter set mode. Press Enter key to select input setup. Press down key to check input bias, and press Enter key. Select 3 and press Enter key. Press Run key and Enter key together. Press left key to return to run mode. The temperature of channel 3 has been corrected to be 3 degrees Celsius higher than before. Channel skip is a function that does not display and record a specific channel. Channel 6 is showing burn. Press Enter key for 3 seconds to enter set mode. Press Enter key to select input setup. Press right key to select channel 6. Press down key to check LCD paper record, and press Enter key. Press up key to change to off, and press Enter key. Press Run key and Enter key together. Press left key to return to run mode. Channel 6 has been deleted. Factory reset function is used to return all parameters to the original operating system. Press Enter key for 3 seconds to enter set mode. Press down key to check file memory setup, and press Enter key. Press Enter key. Press down key to select default.pms and press Enter key. Press Run key and Enter key together. Press left key to return to run mode. Factory reset has been completed.